Good afternoon. Welcome to Oli and EP Cafe.
Yummy.
Today we're going to make homemade vanilla ice cream. Simple, using our old machine, Lickety Split. We got all the ingredients that we need right here. It is so simple. Basic recipe is, darling, you want to get that? 1 cup of heavy cream in this canister. Good. And we're also going to put 1 cup of heavy cream. I'll get that for you where you can get the other one ready. Good. So it's 1 cup of heavy cream in both canister. Next we're going to have 1 cup of light cream, and I'll do this one in each canister. There we go. This is going to be so good. Next we're going to have a 1/2 cup of sugar. I will do 1/2 cup of sugar in each one. Now, next week we're going to try this with brown sugar or honey because some people don't eat granular sugar. Now we're going to have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. You can try the imitation, but I'm not a fan of imitation. I like the real deal. If you're gonna go and make it right, you should at least do it right. Now, I always like this part of the recipe. 1 pinch of salt, dear.
A little pinch.
1 pinch of salt. Salt gives it its flavor. That's the simple recipe. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put the lid on each canister. We're almost there. This is so simple. Any of you can do this, right, dear?
Yeah, we can do it.
Anybody can do it. Hey. And you put the arm on the canister. That way, when the motor starts, the canister are held in place and you get a good consistency as the beaters churn the recipe. There we go. We are almost done. Now, you got your recipe. What do we need next?
The fun part.
The fun part.
With the ice.
The ice. Woo. You're going to put ice around each canister, in between the canisters. Let me help here. Good. Little faster. Good. 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 More. Now we're going to add some salt. Put a salt around each canister. Good. In between. Let me add a little bit more here. More. There you go. Try not to put them all on the table, dear.
I know. I'm trying.
Alrighty. The salt is really what makes the ice melt. Good. Almost there. Almost. Another layer. I'm so proud of you. You're getting the hang of it. We have filled it all the way up to the rim. You are going to be in for a treat. Now, our next thing, should I do the honor? Let's do the drum roll. 1, 2, let's see if it works. 3. Woo!
Music to the ears.
Yummy, yummy. Homemade vanilla ice cream in the works. I think it's almost ready. You see how the arm is coming off? Let's stop it. You want to take it off, dear? We even got our those special cups that we always test with. Here, one for him and one for me.
Oh, good.
Oh my goodness. Well, look at that. Wow.
Take a look at that.
Take it closer so they can get a closer look.
Look at that. Ice cream.
Woo! Listen, why use these? Here. Let me I just can't wait. Here. Okay.
That's ice cream.
Oh my goodness.
No, that puts the other company to shame. And you know the initials I'm thinking of, 2 initials?
French vanilla ice cream. Doesn't get any better than this. Guys, you have got to try this out. Simple recipe. I will post it on Facebook and Instagram so you'll have it. Well, calm down, dear. Now, I'm so delighted. Oh, just one more.
I know. Just one more.
So good. Let me try yours.
I'll try yours. We're trying to make each other's. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good.
Mhm.
So proud of us.
Mm.
Listen, this is the beginning. Now, check us out. On next Sunday, we got something special that we're going to be teaching you how to cook for husbands. So, on next Sunday, meet us at Ole and EP
Cafe.
Cafe. Stay tuned for more. And no matter what you do, have fun.
Mm-hmm.
Bon appetit. Ole and EP Cafe.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.